On day 16 of the Tour d'Afrique, we stopped at a small rural school in Tanzania called Doroto Primary School. Camping at local schools is one of the oldest traditions of the Tour d'Afrique. We arrive in the afternoon, pitch our tents in the schoolyard, spend the night there, and continue our journey the following morning. Over the years, the tour has also developed the tradition of supporting these schools in different ways. Doroto Primary School has around 500 students. Many of them walk long distances every day just to get here. After school, they return home to help their families, working in the fields or looking after livestock. But on this particular afternoon, the atmosphere felt different. Mzungus are
Checking
here.
me with my stick.
Kujifunza dhana ya familia, mahitaji ya wanafamilia na vitendo vya kuwasaidia wanafamilia wenye mahitaji.
Before leaving for Africa, I packed a small stack of Cyanotype paper in my bag, hoping to share a little bit of photography with local kids if the opportunity came. Because of the language barrier, I explained the Cyanotype process to one of the teachers who then translated for the students.
Hapa karatasi ndio karatasi maalum ambayo tukija kuweka haya majani yetu ya miti, sawa? Na kuyaacha kwa dakika 5 au zaidi kidogo kulingana na mwanga wa jua, sawa? Ndio kutokee ile print, sawa? Ili tuweze kuona matokeo sasa.
The children watched patiently, with curiosity. But to be honest, the workshop wasn't the main event. For a small rural community, the arrival of dozens of cyclists from different countries crossing Africa by bicycle is a special occasion. Small moments of connection between people whose lives are separated by thousands of kilometers, yet somehow share the same afternoon. And maybe somewhere in that crowd, there is a future cyclist or a photographer.